Hi, it's Marco, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to lock a photo album on your iPhone. So to do it, just go to your Photos app and go to your albums. Then just select few photos or videos you want to save and then click on the bottom left and then scroll until you see more and then click on notes. Now they will be added to your notes and then click on save. If we go to notes, you see these are the photos. If I want to lock them, go to the top right on the 3 images and then click on lock. Then enter the password and now it is locked. And basically to view it, just open it up and that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.